Right now, people in the USA are building automated online income streams. These systems pull in revenue 24 hours a day, exactly while you sleep. The engine driving this output is a massive volume of highly targeted, short-form videos, currently dominating social media feeds by the millions. This graph tracks a typical viral short. Exponential view growth drives continuous revenue escalation across a daily cycle. But if you examine the peaks, you realize something strange. Who is actually making them? The creators driving these metrics are completely invisible. They never show their faces on camera. They mask their real identities entirely by refusing to even use their own voices. This is the era of the ghost architect, a creator who manages automated systems from the background, rather than relying on personal celebrity. That hidden architect operates an assembly line built from 3 specific software tools. First, they deploy ChatGPT to act as the strategic brain of the operation. Instead of fighting writer's block, they instruct the software to mass-produce dozens of highly optimized, algorithm-friendly script hooks in seconds. The prompts enforce strict structural rules, keep the sentences brief, make them punchy, and apply targeted cultural styling, like phrasing matched to a standard American accent. With the script generated, the architect needs vocal cords. That is where 11 Labs comes in. Here is the exact mechanical process. Abstract blocks of AI-generated text are fed into the synthesizer, instantly converting into dynamic digital audio waveforms. This waveform transforms into a viewer retention graph, highlighting spikes where the synthesized voice modulates pitch to maximize audience attention. Creative writing blocks and vocal performance anxiety have been entirely eradicated by a sequence of simple software prompts. Raw text and audio files don't go viral on their own. They have to be packaged into a polished visual format. The architect uses CapCut as the body of the operation, the final packaging engine. The software completely automates the editing process, stitching together dynamic visual cuts rapidly and with zero human intervention. It then generates aggressive, high-contrast auto captions designed specifically to capture scrollers who watch their feeds with the sound turned off. What you are seeing here is a closed-loop flowchart. By sequentially stacking text generation, audio synthesis, and video packaging, the architect creates a frictionless pipeline that bypasses traditional video production entirely. Owning a high-end camera, renting out a studio, or having a natural screen presence used to be the minimum requirements for media success. Today, those barriers are obsolete. Success now relies on system architecture and prompt engineering, rather than human charisma. This creates a massive operational advantage, allowing a single anonymous user to rapidly scale and run multiple viral channels simultaneously. As these tool stacks become more accessible, the volume of content on social feeds will increasingly come from those who can manage these systems at scale. Using these tools allows you to automate the production cycle and scale content while you sleep. So, follow for more AI money tools.